Start off by finding a nice breakbeat drum, and you definitely want to use one with real acoustic drums. First make a few cuts and then start rearranging the beat. So just grab one from there. This is a good starting point. We can copy this over, and now you can also use this tool right here, the slip tool, which is an underrated tool in FL Studio, and you can move the audio within the sample without moving the sample. So you can experiment with different variations. So after some adjustments, I have this.